So I want to wait till after jolts. We are pushing up into breaking a new all-time high. We created a balanced range with a big gap and a lot of trend to the upside. So I want to wait for jolts to kind of play out. I could definitely see a big move happening here, but I need to see how things play out. We're bullish above the 6965 daily bounds range. Right. Really, I mean, to be honest, we're really bullish above 6990s. That's like a smaller time frame. 6990s, we're really bullish. 6965s is where we, like, bigger time frame, keep the bullishness. Like, if I'm shorting for some reason, like we fail 6990s, I'm targeting 6965s. That's it. We're pushing up into a new all-time high, though. We're creating a new balanced range. The supply is really 7,022s to 7,030s, right? We don't have enough liquidity and steam to get up there yet. We keep failing it. We failed at pre-market. We could easily retest that, break that, and get up into the 7,050s based on the ATR for the day. If we hold these 6990s, that's really the big test. Holding the 6990s. Our pre-market low is actually 7,000, so we might even see a little liquidity sweep there. I'm actually almost interested in a scalp liquidity sweep into the 6990s. If it really played out. I'll need to be really small size and don't play around a lot, things like that. Bruh. What the fuck just happened, homie? Did I just cancel that whole thing out? Oh my god, I fucking can't stand you. Okay, come on, bro. Okay. Yeah, but I want to avoid getting in the bounce range. I want to see the bounce range play out. Like, I want to see a bounce range be created. I want to avoid getting in on the bounce range. I want to see, under the 7,000s, I can see trap participants, fast LVN moves, tape speed up. That could be a confirmation above the 7,000s. I want to see sellers try and fail, like absorption. Try and fail, and the buyers get rewarded. I want to see that. But again, I really want to avoid getting in at the wrong time. Orb longs, I'm only playing around with small size to the upside just because that range is really tight. Orb failures, I can go long. Good trap participants, I can go long big size. But other than that, I'm looking more for a smaller size trade, but I could potentially hit a 20-point move or something. 6990s would be an amazing spot. A really good trade is under the 7,000s. We sweep that liquidity to the 6990s, and then we bust up hard. I might take bigger size for that. I'm only nervous. The only thing I don't know is I'm nervous about the jolts. Jolts could pop up and fuck shit up. So it would really be a scalp. I would really be not fucking around with this. Like, I want to be safe. So I would really be looking for a scalp and to get out as quick as possible. But I am increasing my risk today if that occurs. It would be best if it happened after jolts, but whatever. I'm bullish. I know I have a bias of being bullish. I don't really want to go shorts. I am interested, like, if we get to the 6965, small size longs, but then you're buying a falling knife. I kind of almost want to just avoid shorts altogether. But if for some reason it was just super apparent and I haven't taken a trade yet, switching sides, switching biases, that might be the thing. But again, if I'm wrong and it goes back long, then I'm messing up opportunities. So I really I'm going to cut out shorts because, I just explained that to myself. I don't want to fuck up my opportunity. I cut out shorts unless we really fail hard under the 6990s, fail fucking hard, and some crazy shit happens. I'm cutting out shorts for the day. Orb failure just looks perfect to me right here. A break under 7,000s, trap participants. I would definitely take an orb failure trade here. Oh my god, look how much this is moving right now. I'm actually looking at this right now. It's happening right at my key level. This is actually like exactly what I want to see.
Order filled.
What the fuck? Come on, look, I'm watching this. I got in. I want to see those sellers fail. I'm gonna get ready to get out. I want to see the sellers fail. Yesterday I got out way too early and ended up missing a huge move to the upside. I just want to see these guys fail. See, like now these buyers are coming in. I don't want to see these buyers get swept up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see what happens. I have my first profit target at liquidity at 7,007. I mean, these things could easily get swept up. I'm gonna get swept. I don't want to. This just be the fucking end of my day, huh? This is gonna get swept. Come on. I'm risking 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm risking 3 points right here. I really want this to hold. That volume came in so hard. I don't know what's gonna happen. Now we have sellers coming in. Oh, fuck, I don't know. Might be fucked. Yesterday I got out way too early and I lost. I'm hoping these sellers fell here. If these sellers could just fucking fail and this is absorption, I'm gonna be in a really, really good trade. I'm trying to keep my mind ready because I'm gonna probably lose. I gotta be ready to lose. Yesterday I got out way too early and I lost because of it. I'm hoping I can be a part of something good here. I mean, okay, is this behaving the way I think it should? No. It's not. We have sellers coming in. They're failing to move it down. I just really want them to tap liquidity at least. Give me like some liquidity here.
Target filled.
Target 1. Woo! We got a winner on our hands, boys. We're not losing today. We like to see it. All right, now we're targeting pre-market highs. So we're targeting, pre-market highs is 7,028. So we're looking for 7,017 to 7,028 for that second contract. If this works, I mean, we're going to be in a really good place, boys. We're going to be in a really good place. We just want to let this thing run. I'm not taking a loser today. We know that. Because now my second contract is only risking 2 points, and I made 7 points on the other one. So I'm going to have at least a 250 winner today. The edge of this balance range around 7,015 to 7,018 is really the best place for me to get out. I mean, this is right at VPOC. Like, if this is going to fail and go all the way back down, it's going to do it right here. I would love to see, I mean, like, Jolts is at 8, right? So I just want to see us move up to this balance range high. But I also know that 10 points is my goal, right? So I want to be smart. 10 points is my goal. At the end of the day, 10 points is my goal. We just saw this thing fail. If the sellers can pick up this liquidity, they can move this thing all the way back down, But if it doesn't move down and that's the extreme of that range, then, we should be able to get 7,014, 7,018s with a good probability, which would be awesome. That's what I want. But I gotta be careful. I already have a $742 winner. That's amazing. Oh, I love that. $742 winner. We want that. I kind of should I get out? I mean, I'm hoping that this could run up into Jolts and that the sellers fail. Once I see the sellers fail strong, I'm gonna probably move my risk to that low and then just chill out. We want to see these sellers fail, and then I don't want to give back this gain. I mean, this is a good gain. I just want to see these sellers fail. Right now, the sellers look like they're failing. Just sweep all the fucking way down. Don't do it. It's going too far. $7,000. I'm gonna put that. Should I take this right here? I want this to fail right here. Okay, we're gonna keep it right here. We have all those sellers coming in and the market's moving up. I like to see that. The volatility is on though. Two minutes left. Oh my god, I'm nervous. I want to catch this winner! Fucking bitch. Cedric, you know what this is gonna do. Nigga. This is bullshit. Come on. That's as far as I can go. Just move up. Close strong. We have a minute left in this candle. Oh my god, this is so fucking choppy. This shit is super volatile, bro. It's probably gonna break this low. Break this low.
Stop.
Fuck you! Damn it, bro. Oh my god. Dude, this thing is just not fun. This thing is too volatile. Okay, it's gonna break this too. That is like reclaim that entire move. Alright, this neck I'm not touching this until after fucking 9. Fuck, I should take it all at VPOC, huh? Okay, see now, okay, how is my emotions affecting me? Now that I took the trade that I wanted to take and it failed, and sellers are actually moving it, it feels like more manipulation than anything. This thing can go fucking butt fuck wild. Like if I want to keep long though, and I think that long is still a strong play, and I can get in lower than I fucking got out, then that's money in the bank too though. So I'm not kind of watching it. It's 6,756. So now this is a real orb failure. You know there's a lot of liquidity down here. Oh, I wish I took that 700 though. I mean, fuck, right? It's pulling at everybody. I wonder what Carmine's up to. I'm not changing this to the end of the candle, so let's can't. Okay. Let's see what Carmine's doing. See now, it's super. Intraday commentary. What's Carmine on? Protein 699, target downside, very strong rejection and trend line down. See, this is a very strong candle under opening range. So if we get back above 6990 and we have that much sell volume there, That's a really good sign. We need to get back above 6990. I'm down to use one contract. Now we're in one contract territory. We're just doing this big old pullback all the way to jolts. We have a bunch of sell delta at 6989-ish. Right? So like if we get above that and hold, that's a good confirmation for longs. This is like a stick candle. Thing is, if we get it and hold above 6990s again, like easily we can rock that. Oof. Tons of volume. Volume's going crazy. Yeah, 6965 is that zone. I mean, this, like, I don't like trend continuations. Now, jolts. Did jolts come out? Big gut fill here. Fib retracement to 6960. I mean, 6960. I mean, this is a straight shooter, homeboy. You couldn't even have guessed this. It's just like, I mean, it went and touched liquidity where I got out at, which is a great exit, and I held that second one, and I shouldn't have. This thing's going right down to liquidity. There is so down here, trap participants, all that shit is gonna be very valid over here. Where it's not valid is at 65s. That's where liquidity's at 65s. So if we can see some trap participants, like okay, so you get above these 74s, there's a little bit of trap participant action going right there. Not too much though. We got volume coming in here, so that's interesting. Like, if there's anything that I don't really fuck with, it's the fact, like, if we get back up to these 6990s where all that selling delta came in, that's kind of like where we can go long. Right now, it looks like we're going right down to that liquidity. What did I say too? I said I want to scalp down here because it's prior to the level. Oh, we had fat buyers come in right here. Big buyers. The only problem is this is definitely still short. I like all those buyers coming in though. I want to see the sellers fail next time they come in. Because remember, this candle is the big boy candle. Now we got a lot of buyers coming in. We're watching for sellers to fail now. at a resistance zone. That's a higher high right there.
Order filled.
Risking 75.50. $75.25. You see this higher high? I got in at this higher high. Let's see if it works. There's a lot of fight going on in here now. Now the buyers are losing.
Stop filled.
I got in at a higher high. I mean, that's the best thing I could do. I mean, I'm going against the following knife right now, so we're just going to be done. We're going to be done right here. Yeah, there's a falling knife going on right here. I really ain't trying to play with that. All right, we're done with that. I have $150 profits today. I could have had 700, 800. Try to get at the higher low on the delta footprint chart. If it would have worked, it would have worked right there. This thing looks like it's gonna go lower. Fuck, are we gonna go dump all day? I don't know. You're so fuck. I'm not going against this fucking trend at this point now, you know what I'm saying? We're not doing it. That's the thing, we failed 6990s and me trying to get long under 6990s was not a great trade. I saw confirmation with the higher low, but like that wasn't a great probability trade for me at all. Yeah, still ain't gonna trust it. We can't. So much volume went into that last one. It's just like fuck. You know what I'm saying? Don't know, man. We can't trust it. We really can't trust it. I'm not gonna trust this. We're just gonna let it burn. Look, my heart's beating faster. How would I feel if I let this turn into a losing day? I'd be mad. I'd be mad. I'd be mad. I'd be really mad. Right now, it's like our seller's failing. We're at resistance. I mean, we can't like. This could easily be a move down. We're getting a lot of volume going on here now. We're creating a range. The 76, the 68s are becoming a range. Bro, I'm not gonna buy this again in a downtrend. I'm not gonna risk buying a falling knife again. Just not gonna do it. I did it one time and it cut my winning day too much. You know it's going to. Like I could have got in the short here, 76. I'd have 10 points. But I'm not going short today. I mean, this is trend continuation trading. You know what I'm saying? It's a downside. Fuck. Shit. If it gets above 90s, we could trade that thing to 7,007 though. I'll tell you that. Okay, I'm gonna write in my book. Good trade. Didn't sell. All of it got stopped. Could have had 8 points. Now 2. Went against plan of needing over 90s, but did at least confirm higher low on price action. Book map. Won't take that again. This next trade, if we get above 90s, we can target VPOC 7006 with high probability. So that's my trade, above the 90s, the 7006. If I don't want to take a loss. See, now this is where the liquidity's at. See all these sellers? See, now this is kind of a good little spot. Now there's real liquidity here. Now, if we spot absorption too, that really might be a trade. At least to the 75. See this big seller down here, 63s? I want to see it fail one more time though. But see how it stopped right at my level. Like I had this level pre-market, and see how it stopped right there? My levels are A1. So now we know the location, right? This location is clearly significant for the participants. We want to see that for sure. But there's liquidity, so we want to see absorption. I want to see a failure over here again. I want to see this fail again and get back above 65s. I'm going to write it on my thing. At key level, it's an important... Oh, there's a lot of delta on the scale. Area, lots of delta and sellers. If sellers fail again to... Oh, fuck, I missed it. Look at that thing running. Run it. I missed it. Look, dude, it's like... It's trying to... That bitch is ramped up. Crazy work. Right at my level, dog. If I would have just marked it and ran all that liquidity... Just got bottom. Now there's a real chance. So I'm like, I want to see sellers fail again. Now this is a real opportunity. See sellers fail again. Crazy work. That thing bounced up hard. Big seller, big buyers, 1500 delta. That was a lot of buyers though. Like, I want to see this fail to go under again. All those buyers came in. I want to see what happens now. He's ripped up. Like, are sellers going to try to come in again? Next time I see sellers try to come in again and it fail, then it's like, okay, we're good. I like that. That could have been a smoke show trade right there. Hello? Hello?
Hi.
So we got a big seller sitting here. Sellers are coming in. I mean, we got like some sellers coming in. It looks like it's flagging. It's holding what it did right here. It's holding it. We're just like, at the end of the day, we're still trend continuation down, so I can't trust it. Like, but big buyers coming in. 67. Do you want to risk 4 points right here? No. I want to get in off a seller again.
Order filled.
Lots of buyers coming in. I like that. Get them buyers coming in. We have a low volume gap. I would definitely be targeting getting to these 90s. I don't want these buyers to fail though. I want these buyers to just keep coming in and squeeze us up. Come on, Seb, what we gotta do? We gotta start getting break even on this. I'm gonna go break even on this because we are in a downtrend. We don't want to see that break. We want to see the buyers just flush in. Let me get stopped.
Stop filled.
Happy I got to break even, nigga. Fuck. Damn, bro. Why are all these buyers failing? I don't like it. See, I mean, we're in a downtrend, dog. I don't want to really fuck with this shit. That was a good exit. I want to get some trapped sellers again. See how it's moving down? So now we have all those trapped buyers, and we're moving down. Now we need to see it, like, now we really want to see it fail up over here at these. We had all that buy delta. See that? Buyers are failing. And where all that buy delta came in at, we're underneath it now. Every time I attempt this again, especially down here, it's just like extra risk, bruv. It looks like a down day to me. Alright, let's see what happens down here again. We had a pretty big sell order come in. This time we have a lot of trapped buyers though. Like this easily cannot break down this time. Like if the liquidity spikes and it doesn't though, I mean fuck shit, damn. I'll be guessing though. See, yeah, I see how it's breaking under. I want to see all these sellers. Okay, if these buyers fail here. Those 55s have a lot of liquidity. We're red on the week now. I would say 45s is VPOC. Daily chart VPOC is right at 45. So if we are attracted all the way to that, there's going to be some sort of bounce there, most likely. %50 retracement is 6941. So we just tapped a shit ton of liquidity and we bounced up. See how we bounced up with all those buyers at that liquidity level? Problem is VPOC, daily chart VPOC is right there. Damn it. Now we're bouncing back up again. Now we're above all these sellers. Yeah, and that was a fucking 10-point move. Bruh! Fuck! Give fucking break. That's outside of the range. $64s. See, hold for $64s now. That was a sweep. I could risk 5 points. No, it's in the middle of the fucking range. This is some bullshit. This kind of looks like it's gonna be strong as fuck.
Order filled.
I did 2. Oh my god. Fuck, Cedric. You did 2 of them. This is bad. I did not mean to do 2. I'm about to get smoked. I'm gambling like a motherfucker. You don't think this is gonna go down? Dude, this is gonna go down.
Stop filled.
You're a fucking idiot! Fuck, I didn't mean to do 2. Shit. I didn't mean to fucking do 2, bro. This shit pisses me off. Oh my god.